Welcome back. We have the intercooler that arrived from Allisport. It's pretty funny to see this packed up like this. Should be fine. If their past packing of the XL frame and the radiator itself is any indication of how well they pack things, this should be absolutely perfect. It's overkill. So let's see. Now there is a little edge of it that's kind of poking out here a bit, but let's see what this looks like. And by the way, there is instructions. Don't forget, when you put in a full-size intercooler, you are going to have to do some fuel pump adjustments. Many are not used to doing that. I personally am not. So I will be doing this final portion, intercooler installation, probably over at the British 4x4 folks, and have Norman give me a hand. He's super busy, but hopefully he can give me a hand there. And these are all the instructions that are necessary to make the adjustments that your engine will need. Alright. Alright. Here is the full-size intercooler. Alright, how do you even start? Where do you start? Alright, let me start right here. Now I'm just going to do a small cut, and then I'll use a scissor to carefully cut off all the black outer wrap, which is always separate from the actual bubble wrap that's holding everything together. All still looks good, very nicely packaged. Alright, let's see, where's the edge? This side. Oh, it's over here. Very nice. They have never disappointed me. Let's see. Their packaging is excellent. Look at that. What are these? Maybe these are the grommets that I was about to order for the radiator. Oh man, I hope they are. I was about to. I even have them in my cart already for Rovers North to purchase the bushings to mount the radiator, because they weren't in the radiator or XL frame and packaging. What's back here? Nope. Just straps and little brackets, which will help drill and adjust and mount this intercooler to the XL frame. Cool, thank you very much. But don't forget, you still have to order the bushing mounts for the radiator that you get from them. I'm not going to be able to shoot that installation video of the radiator until I get those bushings back. Shock absorber, because there's a pin right here. See? They do a great job of packing. Gotta tell you, really nice. got to be real careful when you're unpacking this, because you don't want to grab onto the fins and crush a bunch of fins. Take your time. You want it to be in your rover for longer than it's going to be out of your rover, right? Oh, this thing is pretty. Look at that. Lifetime warranty, as shown right there. This one is, let's see, right here. Part number AS04, year 2021, week 11, Allisport. This is quality control passed. So there's a 423 number on there with operator number 7. Thanks again, operator number 7. You've put together most of my setup. And let's show everybody the quality of this stuff. Really nice, huh? This thing, beautiful. So there's a stud here and a stud here. I guess that goes mounted somehow with those brackets that came, because this can't fit into the excess bracket. You see, this mounts like this. Let's see, you're facing the opposite way, so let's see, if you were standing in the front of the car, this is what it would look like, right? Oh, actually, no. Just like this. Okay. No. Let's see. Yes. That's right. If you're standing in the front of the vehicle, this is what it would look like. It would be coming in here, and the radiator would be right here. And these pipes would be coming in through the open side of the radiator. Yeah, I have no way to mock up the radiator that's inside the excess frame, the XL frame, I mean. Keep on saying excess. Alright. And there are 2 threaded bosses right here, welded in. I take it those are just for mounting purposes. Yep. Let's see. These here. There's only 4 brackets, so I would venture to say that that's what they are for. Something like that. Actually, it's probably just something like that. Or something like that. And at this bottom one, this doesn't fit. This doesn't fit here or here. But this does. So make sure you get enough grommets for this side here too. The bushing, the mounting bush. Alright, so these are two things that I have to remember. Man, I really wish they would have sent some mounting bushings. How hard would that have been? Just charge the extra $10 and send all the bushings. Okay, well, there you have it. It looks like it's absolutely brilliant. Very, very nicely made. Very smart. Alright, and that's that. See you on the next one.